I have the red beans. Now I'm going to add in the black beans. I've already washed these. And then I'm going to add in the corn. Hopefully you can see this here. This is non-GMO corn. And then I'm going to add in my chopped celery. Oh, the bowl is getting full. Then some red onions that I've diced up. And finally, all of these amazing colorful peppers with lots of great carotenoids for your eyes and lots of bioflavonoids. So yeah, this bowl is definitely too small, but I'll make it work. All right, so now I'm going to mix everything together. I have to be really careful because my bowl is way too small for this. I don't actually have a bigger bowl right now, so I'm going to manage. So give me some time. I will mix it up and then I'll show you the finishing touches. Now I'm going to add some spices. So I have some paprika. It actually has also the macular carotenoids, lutein and zeaxanthin, so add a little bit of paprika depending on the spice level that you like. I like it really spicy. I'm going to add some cayenne pepper as well, some extra carotenoids here. Again, adjust the spice level to whatever you can take. And then I'm going to finish with some pink Himalayan sea salt. Okay, now I'm going to add some fresh squeezed lime juice. So I'm going to stick it in here and try to saturate the whole bowl. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put it in the fridge and let it marinate for about a couple of hours before you serve it, because then the beans pick up all that, all the juice and the spices, and it just tastes so good. So try this out. Let me know. I'm going to add some extra lime because I love that tartness of the lime. Let me know how it goes.